On the very last part of these notes, we're going to estimate. It says estimate each sum or difference. Always write down your work. And so what they really want us to do when we estimate is just round to the nearest whole number or round to compatible numbers depending on the given situation. And so here I'm going to round to the nearest whole number. 4 and 5/10 round to the nearest whole number is 5. And 8 and 9/10 round to the nearest whole number is 9. And I can do this in my head. 5 plus 9 is 14. And so my estimated answer is 14. When I go to add 4 and 5/10 plus 8 and 9/10, I want to make sure that I get an answer close to 14. And so we're going to use estimating and mental math to kind of make sure that our answers make sense as we go through this unit. So let's look at another one. 28 and 3/10 is rounded to 28. Minus 11 7/10 is rounded to 12. And so 28 minus 12, well, that's 16. And so we know that when we do the math for this problem up here, we should get an answer close to 16. The next ones are going to actually challenge you a little bit to use your integer rules. So if you want to try a challenge and pause the video and try them, you can. If you'd rather follow along, that's okay too. So here we've got, this is about 57, plus about negative 24. And so same signs add and keep, different signs we subtract. So 57 minus 24 is 33. Keep the sign of the higher number, which is positive. So we've got about 33. When we do the math for this problem, we should get close to 33. And then here, 6 and 73/100 is 7, or estimated, rounded. And then minus 17 and 21/100 rounds to about 17. And so when I see subtraction, I'm going to copy, change, change. When I have same signs, I add and keep, but these are different signs, so I'm going to subtract and keep the sign of the higher number, which is negative. And I know that this answer up here, 6 and 73/100 minus 17 and 21/100, should be close to negative 10 when I do my actual work. And so we're going to be using what we know about place value to round. We're going to be using what we know about rounding to estimate. We're going to be using estimating to make sure that when we add and subtract, multiply, and divide decimals in this unit, our answers make sense and they seem reasonable. And so we're going to go from here to the adding and subtracting lesson, where we will use our estimating skills to make sure that our answers make sense.